Creative and the brain. A journey into the creative mind discover which brain regions are active when we generate ideas, solve problems, and create something new. What is creative? Creative is a complex cognitive process that allow us use to generate original ideas, solve problems in innovative ways, and create unique projects. It does not reside in a single area of the brain. It is the result of the collaboration between multiple regions that process information, emotions, memory, and perceptions. Creativity is not talent. Innate for can be trained and strengthened with constant practice. Innate for can be trained and strengthened with constant practice. Frontal lobe. The frontal lobes control decision making, planning, and practice example. When a design creates a project, the frontal lobe organizes ideas and evaluation possibilities. Temporal lobe, memory, language, and emotions. The temporal lobe stores past experience and forms creative associations by connecting memories with emotions and language. In musicians, they compose songs, combine sounds and emotions into region. Writers, they recover vocabulary and experiences to build narrative. Parietal lobe. The parietal lobe manages sensory information and spatial orientation. Interprets visual and psychical data during creative activities that require precision and spatial awareness. Architects. They analyze dimensions and space, designing building and structures. Un visual artist, they coordinate moving and tactile perceptions when sculpting or painting. Engineers, they integrate sensory data to solve complex technical problems. El occipital lobe, the visual processor, the occipital lobe processes all visual information, images, colors, shapes, and movements. It is essential in any artist or design activities. Recognizes visual patterns and integrates them into the creative process. It allows illustrators and artists to process details with precision. It works in conjunction with the parietal lobe for spatial perceptions. Cerebellum, coordination and precision. The cerebellum coordinates movements and balance. It controls the fine motor skills needed for painting, drawing, or playing musical instruments. Repeat practice, creative performance improves when movements and practicals consciently. The five regions in actions, creative doesn't happen in isolation. The five brain regions work together and simultaneously to produce original ideas and innovate solutions. When a person creates, the brain integrates visual, emotional, spatial, and motor information in real time, connecting past experiences with future possibilities. Uh, Creative decision, planification, cerebellum, coordination, motors, el level occipital, presence visual, local, global parietal information, sensory space, en level temporal memory and emotions. Stimulating creative problem-solving activities that challenge logical thinking, strengthen creative neural connections. Teamwork, collaboration expose the brain to new perspectives and simulates the generation of ideas. Artists exercise is practice art, music, or reading activities, multiple brain regions simulated newsly. Continuous learning, exploring new knowledge, creates unexpected connection that they fuel innovation. Conclusion: creative is the result of a brain symphony, the frontal lobe, the temporal lobe plans, the temporal lobe connects emotion and memories, the parietal lobe orients space, the occipital lobe process visual information, and the cerebellum coordinates movement. This region does not work alone, they communicate constantly to transform information into original ideas. Remember, creative is the if strengthened throughout learning. Practice and experience your brain in airways read to create. Think.